Hello everyone and welcome back. You deleted an app from your Android phone, but now you want to use it again? Regardless of the reason, whether you accidentally removed it or simply decided to get it back, this guide will show you how to do it quickly and easily. Follow the steps and enjoy your favorite apps once again. So, the first thing you need to do is find the Google Play Store app on your phone and open it. Once you're on the Google Play Store homepage, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. This will open a menu with options. In the menu that appears, you'll see several options. Find Manage Apps and Device and tap on it to open it. Once you've done that, now on this page, tap on Manage in the top menu. Here, you'll see a list of all apps linked to your Google account. To find the apps you've uninstalled, you'll see a tab called This Device. Tap on it and then select Not Installed. The list will be filtered to show only the apps that are currently not installed on your device. From the displayed list, find the app you want to restore, and simply check the box next to the one you want to return. You can also select multiple apps at once, and then click the Install button in the top right corner to download and install them all at once on your device. And that's it. Once you do that, the apps you selected will be successfully downloaded and installed on your device. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon.